think I'm gonna blow.
Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rockford County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin until 6 a.m. At 5:25 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Beloit, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Beloit, Sullivan, Lake Geneva, Williams Bay, Genoa City, Walworth, Clinton, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, Como, Elm Lake, Powers Lake, Flomers Lake, Burlington, Springfield, Allen's Grove, Flomers Lake, Burlington, Springfield, Allen's Grove.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
The following is a special weather statement from the National
Weather Service. The following is a special storms will impact portions of southern Milwaukee, Walworth, southeastern Rock, Racine, southern Waukesha, and western Kenosha counties through 6 a.m. At 5:13 a.m., double rainfall tracking strong thunder.
Just gotta love them quarter-size hails. Although that is definitely quarter-size hail, though. Heck, I think that's probably bigger than quarter size. Well, it was 2 inches, but I'm not entirely sure how accurate that is. So, but I'm gonna turn like most of my radios off. And my one downstairs is on all locations, so yeah, maybe I should go adjust that too.